Everybody, Jake and Brenda here, our sweet adventures.
Hello.
Today,
We are making almond joy cookies.
yeah, so
Let's get started.
let's get with it.
All right, the ingredients for this is a 14-ounce bag of coconut, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and then about 2/3 cup of slightly salted almonds, and then you've got your sweetened condensed milk. So it's basically just you preheat your oven to 325, and then I've got the baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and then you just put all the ingredients in a bowl as such. There we go. Coconut, chocolate chips. And I did put a little, these weren't salted, but I put a little bit of Himalayan salt in there, so. And then I am going to kind of stir that up a little bit because you get that milk in there. It gets goopy, and then that way everything's not at the bottom or the top or however it might be. So, all right, now we'll get that in there. I mean, this stuff is really thick. So it's going to take some
serious mixing.
Yeah. And build up my muscles or something. You know, you're the one with the muscles. Maybe you should be stirring.
I'm the camera guy.
You don't want to trade for a moment?
No.
No? No, no way. Okay, there's still some in there. It is just so thick. And I think you're going to have to, you know, have the full can in there because it's going to be ooey gooey. All right, I think that's good.
Okay.
So now we'll begin mixing.
You use a mixer on that or not? Probably not.
No.
No.
Absolutely
That would
no. No. So this is just going to be trying to get it all incorporated in there. And this might take a while.
Yeah, so we'll let you.
So we'll come back once it's all mixed. All right. So I did get it mixed up, as you can see. And I am using a ice cream scoop and scooping them up and kind of pushing it down. Now, so you might have a better idea, but then I'm going to come over here, and I've already started some, but I'm going to come over here and just scoop it out onto the, easier said than done, onto the parchment paper. Well, he didn't turn out very good, but
no.
You get the idea. Anyway, I did try a couple, like rolling it in my hands, which that worked pretty good too.
That works better.
I actually have one of these, but it's too small, and I need the bigger size. So that'll be on the list since we do a lot of cooking videos and stuff. I'm gonna get one of these. This is actually a Pampered Chef one, and I love Pampered Chef products, so I use a lot of their stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and we'll put them in the oven and show you the finished yummy cookies. All right, well, while those are in the oven, we were talking about it, and here is, when you boil eggs, this is where you scoop out the egg easily and put it, you know, in your bowl or whatever. And so my husband said, hey, what about this? It's in my little turn thing that has all the utensils in it. And I says, well, let's try it. So here we go. So I think If you
Seems
get,
to work a little bit better.
yes. So I'm gonna press it up. I'll put a little bit more in there. But press it up against the side there. And then come over here and just kind of, sure.
Yes, quite simply.
There. But it's not as messy.
Yeah,
it makes them bigger. And you do need to, the recipe says, to go ahead and smash them down.
Yeah.
So I think this is how we're going to go ahead and line this pan with it. And then they'll be ready as soon as the other ones come out of the oven. And since they are a little bit bigger, but that does work a little bit better. And it's not as messy.
Not as messy.
I mean, you can wet your fingers before you, you know, try to roll them in a ball or put them up like that. You could do that as well. But when he said that, I thought, oh, that's a great idea. Let's try it out. So,
okay.
We'll get back to you.
Okay.
All right, here we are with the finished product. And they are a little bit more brown than wanted them to be, but we had to leave them in there for several more minutes than it called for. And so I'm going to go ahead and put these over here. And I'm going to show you what we came up with. Because this is how the next ones are going to go in. Now these are bigger, and there again, they will take a longer time. But that is with using this. So once we, once the timer goes off for this, we'll come back, show you these, and maybe bigger ones might be better. So we just took out of the oven the bigger ones that we made, that we showed you with the scoop like this, and they look much nicer. I can't wait to try one. One thing is, this recipe does make 3 dozen cookies. Now, according to our size, we're not going to get that many because I did make these bigger, but that's okay. It's just the 2 of us. So, also, another side note is, if you do make these, don't use rubber mat or whatever you call it for baking. Only use this parchment paper. Otherwise, it says it makes it so that it doesn't come out very good. So, but anyway, have a few more to make, and so you've seen both batches, and I think that we'll go ahead and do our taste test.
Okay.
Oh yeah, show them.
Yeah. Here's finished product. Look pretty good. You said you had to cook them a little bit longer.
Yes, about, it says 12 to 14 minutes on the recipe, but I probably did it about 20. There again, depends, I think, too, on the, you know, on the size as well. Yeah. These got a little bit too done. So, yeah. You know, you're just going to have to maybe set it at 15 minutes. And then if you need to, go ahead and put them in for a little longer like we did. But little bit too long. But the second batch that we did, that we showed you with the egg thing, those look nicer. Yeah. And we're happier with that. So you might want to make them a little bit bigger. Yeah. But anyway, here we go for the taste test.
It's the important part.
All right, I want to get it. There we go. Crunchy.
A lot of chocolate in there.
I have to take a little bit bigger bite to get another flavor.
Pretty good. Pretty good. We try to give pretty honest reviews, you know. Very seldom does anything get a 5. I think only one thing's got a 5 so far.
Well, for you, yes.
Yeah, for me.
Yeah.
These are good. I'm gonna go 1 out of 5. I'm going. I'll go with 3 on these. It's pretty good.
Oh.
Oh. She must be good.
Oh, you know me and my sweet tooth. So I'm gonna give them a 4.
Okay.
Will I make them again? Yes, I think I will.
Yeah. Yeah, they're good.
They're good. I think the, potluck or, Christmas time, yeah, anytime.
Yeah.
It'd be a good thing to take somewhere too,
Easy.
Oh, very easy. Very easy. Just
mix it up.
Mix it up together. It does take a little while to get it mixed up and everything, but the end product's really good. So, well,
I guess that'll be do it for today.
That's all, folks. Okay. Well, then I snore. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So, hey, we're keeping it real.
we better get out of here.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
And tell us where you're watching from, too.
Yes,
That's,
yes.
Interesting to see that. So, all right.
All right.
I guess till next time.
Bye.